Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are well. Welcome you all in English class. Your exams are very near और हमने अपना सारा रिवीजन कंप्लीट कर लिया है. Now only one video of revision is left. That is also reading comprehension. In previous video we have discussed how to solve reading comprehension. We also solved two unseen passages. When any exercise or content sent to you, there is an objective behind it. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन को सॉल्व करने से आपकी रीडिंग स्किल, थिंकिंग पावर और नॉलेज इनहेंस होती है. डिफरेंट पैसेजेस को रीड करने से आपको डिफरेंट थिंग के बारे में नॉलेज मिलती है. So, to increase your knowledge and understanding, keep on reading and practicing different contents. In today's video, we will solve two unseen passages. In next revision, practice exercises will be sent to you. Those revisions you have to do by yourself so that you can practice more and more. Now, let's move to solve the comprehension which were sent to you in revision 26. The first step is read the passage and questions carefully. This was your passage. Riya's family is fond of pets. Her father likes the pet very much. Her family just adopted a puppy and a kitten from the animal shelter. The animals were so young. They did not have their names yet. Riya's family had to think for good names for them. The puppy likes to jump very much. The kitten likes to curl up in our laps. Her mom asked Riya, "What do you want to name them?" Her brother said, "Pounce for the puppy and Cuddies for the kitten." Riya's family thought those names were perfect for them. Now the first question is, who is fond of pets? See the passage. It is mentioned that Riya's family is fond of pets. We will write the same answer. Riya's family is fond of pet. Next question is, what does Riya's father like very much? See the passage again. It is written here that her father likes the pets very much. Again we will write the same answer. Riya's father likes the pets very much. Third question is, which animals did the family adopt? फैमिली ने कौन कौन से पेट्स को अडॉप्ट किया? Here it's written कि फैमिली ने एक पपी और एक किटन को अडॉप्ट किया. So we will write the family adopted a puppy and a kitten. Question number 4 is, from where did the family adopt the animals? फैमिली ने एनिमल्स को कहाँ से अडॉप्ट किया? It's mentioned that they have adopted the animals from animal shelter. So we will write our answer according to the question. The family adopted the animals from the animal shelter. Fifth question is, what does the kitten like to do? किटन को क्या करना पसंद था? It's written that कि किटन को उनकी गोद में कर्ल अप करना बहुत पसंद था. So we will write the kitten likes to curl up in their laps. हमने यहाँ पे आर की जगह देयर का यूज किया है क्योंकि ये देयर रिया की फैमिली के लिए है. Question number 6 is, what was the name of the puppy? See in the passage. It's mentioned that the name of the puppy was Pounce. So we will write the name of the puppy was Pounce. Question number 7 is, what is the baby of cat called? आपने तो बचपन से ही पढ़ा होगा कि एनिमल्स के बेबी को क्या कहते हैं. आपको याद है? Yes, you are right. Kitten. So we will write the baby of cat is called a kitten. Your first passage is completed. Now see the second passage. Here is your passage. Joe's class is going to the movie next week. The class has to get permission slip signed before they go. They also need to ask their parents if they will drive to the movie theater. They are going to see the movies that tells the story from the book they read. Everyone loves it when movies are made from books. It is fun to compare the movies to the book. Joe usually likes the book more. The movies and books are similar. The class agreed that they like the book more. Students, मैंने आपको बताया था कि पैसेजेस को पढ़ने से आपको डिफरेंट थिंग के बारे में नॉलेज मिलती है. सो इस पैसेज को पढ़ने से आपको बुक्स की वैल्यू पता चलती है. Now let's move to the questions. The first is, where is the Joe's class going? See the passage. In the first line, it is written that they are going to the movie. So we will write, Joe's class is going to the movie. Second question is, when is the class going for the trip? Passage देखिए. It's mentioned that they are going next week. So we will write, the class is going for the movie next week. Question number third is, what does the class had to get before they go? क्लास को जाने के पहले क्या लेना था? See the passage. It's written that they had to get permission slip. So we will write, the class has to get permission slip signed before they go. Fourth question is, to whom does the class need to ask? क्लास को किससे पूछना था? Here it's written that they have to ask their parents. So we will write, they need to ask their parents. Fifth question is, what is fun to compare? Here it's written that it is fun to compare the movies to the book. Means, movies को book से compare करना fun होता है. So, we will write the answer, it is fun to compare the movies to the book. Question number 6 is, what does Joe usually like better? See the passage. It's written that he usually likes book more. So we will write, Joe usually likes the book more. Next and the last question is, write the name of your favorite book. अब इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको पैसेज में नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको अपनी पसंद की बुक का नाम लिखना है. सो मैं अपनी पसंद की बुक का नाम लिख रही हूँ. द नेम ऑफ माई फेवरेट बुक इज पंचतंत्र. आप अपनी चॉइस से किसी भी बुक का नाम लिख सकते हैं. आई होप नाउ यू नो हाउ टू सॉल्व रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशंस. While solving your question paper, be attentive and solve the question paper carefully. Try to write full answers and avoid shortcuts. Firstly, read the question paper carefully. Think and remember the answers, then write them in your answer sheets. Students, this is our last video. All the best for your English exam. Do your best. I am going to end this video now. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.